Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, September the 20th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. The binary jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. 4-star Sudoku number 9307. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Wow, this one has actually 24 printed digits. Yes, it's truly a 4 stars puzzle. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. 7. Okay. 4, 4. Let me see. Which number can I pick? Need 7 there. Need a 9 here. Need a 1 here. Well, in this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 in this column could be here, or there. We see another 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in the row below, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. 1, 1, okay. Then, let me see. Let me see. 1, 1, okay. The 9 in the first row, the 9 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 5, 9, need a 9 here. Yeah. Come on. 3, 3, 3. Need an 8. Come on. 2, 5. Need an 8 here. 3, 3, 3, 3. 3, no. 3, 3, need a 3 here. 3, 3, need a 3 there. Yeah. In this big square, we need a 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in this box. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we have 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column. 3 in the column next, so last column, the only place left for the 3 should be here. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above, so in that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now in this column, so this can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And all the 3's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in this column, so no 2 and 4 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there we have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, okay. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there we have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, cannot continue with the 2 now, need to wait. How about these two missing numbers in this big square? For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. Okay. Need a 6 here. Need a 4 here. Need a 5 here. Okay. Then we have 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 169, 169, and look, we have 1 and a 9 in the last column, so no 1 and 9 in this box. 1 and the 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the middle row for number 6 then. Okay. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing and 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Okay. 4, 5, and need 8 here. Well, in this column, we need a 5. These two boxes can be 5 because we have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in the last column should be there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. 2 numbers left in this last column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And 8 goes there. And I believe we have a pair. The 4 and the 2 in this row. Third row. The 4 and the 2 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 4 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and the 2, 4 and the 2. Right. Then let's see. Need an 8 here. Then let me see. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. Well, 9. 4, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in the last row. No 6 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, so we have a 7 in one of those two boxes in the last row, 7 in that row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright. Then 1. Need a 1 here. Okay. Need 8 here. Come on. 9, need 9 here or there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, and the 5. 4, 9, and the 5. 9. Need a 4 here. Well, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 5, okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in this row. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. So the row between the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, 4, the 4, the 5 is missing here. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 and a 9. We have a 9 now in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for the number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing here. So, need a 7 here. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 1 and a 6. 1 and a 6 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5 cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. 2, the 9, 2, 9. We have a 9 in this column. Second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4 and 2, we have 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the second column, so the third column, no, only 2 places left from the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 2 numbers left now, in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 1 and 8, 1 and an 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. How about these 2 missing numbers in the third column for numbers? The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Yeah. How about how about 7, 8? And I need a 1 here. And I need him a 6 here. Interesting. 1, 8, 6, 5, and the 4. I need a 4. 4 in the third row. 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So the row above, there are only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 in the second column, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. So the 6 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 in the second column, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. This box should be a 6. 1 box left in this third column for number 6 then. Here are 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 8. Well, cannot fill this yet. 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in this third row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 1 goes there. Now I can fill this box. 1 or an 8. We have a 1 now. So this box should be an 8. That box should be a 1. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. And 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in the third row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. The 1 in this row, third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 box left now in the first row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, we have 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, this one is very quick to solve. Don't think it's 4 stars, 3 stars, 2 stars, 1 star. Should be a 0 stars because I'm faster than 14, maybe 30 minutes. Yeah, I'm pleased with the time and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.